Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to change the engine oil of a motor scooter or an Activa or a scooty. So I have brought this Valvoline engine oil and today I'm going to show you how to change it. So friends, this is the cap by which you can check the level of your engine oil. So let me check what the level is. So as you can see friends, the level is very low. It should be full, but it is less. So this is the filling part. From here we will fill it. So let me tighten this up, and you will need 16-17 spanner. Basically you will need a 17 size spanner. So here this is the drain nut. So if I connect this here, so this is connected. So now we'll loosen this up and the oil will come from here. So the nut is loose now. So we'll need something here for the oil to flow. So friends, this is a nut. I'm loosening the nut now, and I have brought this with me. Also note that there is a washer. You must keep in mind that you don't lose this one. So as you can see friends, the oil is coming out and it's quite dirty. So friends, if you want the process to be faster, you need to tilt the scooty. So I am tilting it. As you can see, the engine oil, the remaining of it is coming, it's draining. So friends, all of the oil is drained. So now just for your own peace of mind, just clean this drain nut properly. Make sure that there are no sand particles attached to it, no dust or anything of that sort. So after cleaning, tighten this part. So friends, please make sure that you don't over tight this. So I have tightened it 3 times and I think that is enough. If you tighten it too much, then the thread might get bad. So now we'll open this and we will clean this part as well. We'll open this. Okay. So now we'll insert this like so. So it's going in. This will take some time. So friends, we have not fully inserted. There is a little bit of remaining. So we'll check with the dipstick now. So friends, as you can see, it has come to an optimum level. So, but we can still insert a little more. There is a little bit remaining, so let me insert. Okay, this is empty, so we'll just tighten this. So friends, our job is done. So this is how you change the engine oil of a scooty. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, then please hit the like button, share my videos and subscribe to my channel if you are new.